This is a new Morphe foundation that I got from the Ulta last time I did my shopping. I think this is one of my other video that I show it to you guys, and this is actually probably not my color, but since it's really hard to pick, especially if you haven't tried the foundation or it's something new to use. So this Morphe is the Hint Skin and Thin. This is a share to medium cover, so it's not full cover, but it's something that you can use pretty much every day. I want to try this one, and if it's not my color, and we'll try to fix to make it my skin tone. So let's get started, guys. So guys, I'm going to use this. This is from Lancome Hydrate for Face Primer. So we're gonna use this one. Just put all over. I'm out actually with just a regular face primer, so we're just gonna use this. You know guys, in Alaska, it's my favorite weather. It's actually fall. It's because the color of the leaves are different, and well, they start getting that beautiful color outside. So it's so nice to walk around if it's not raining, but usually it rains, but if it's not raining, it's so beautiful. This is the foundation. It's really nice. You see how you can, it's like a drop. So it's really nice, and I'm hoping that this is my color because my skin color is actually yellow. And this is a medium. I usually use a medium one, and if it's not my color, if it's too dark for my color, so we're going to mix it with Maybelline Full Cover Super Stay 24 hours. So let's see. And then you can do the drop. So far I see it's a little bit dark on my skin because the foundation is actually has to be just a little bit lighter for your skin. So what we're gonna do with this one is, because it's not my skin tone, see that guys, we're gonna correct this by using Maybelline Full Cover. We're gonna use this Maybelline, guys. Can you guys see it's lighter? It's much lighter. That's the difference. As you guys can see, my face and my neck are pretty close now. So we're just gonna use a setting powder to make that more flawless look. And we're using Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm using this brush. This is actually a blush brush. So we're just gonna hold that. Let's just finish the look on this. And I'm using Urban Decay. And this is actually for the eyebrows. And I've been using it for my nose contour. This is the old Urban Decay, guys. It has the two color. And then I'm using Bobbi Brown bronzer. Can you guys hear outside? There's someone cutting the grass, and I think the mowing, it's kind of like, it's old, and it's like it needs something. It's really, really loud. Can you guys hear it?
2 hours later.
And then a little bit of blush, and I'm using is from Unique. Then I'm putting a little bit highlight. That's how our foundation. I'll be right back, guys. I'm just fixing up everything. So there you go, guys. It's really simple to perfect your foundation, even though you didn't get the right color for your skin. I knew when I pick up this foundation is not gonna be my skin color, because it's really, really hard to pick something that you never tried before, or it's something new for you. So I figured that I have to mix it up with something else to make it looks perfect to my skin. And as you guys can see, we did mix with Maybelline Superstay Full Cover to make it look more natural for our skin. And so hopefully, guys, if you have any foundation at your house that is not your skin color, you guys can mix it up with other of your foundations. So don't throw it away, because you can use that and just play around for the color, and then so that's where you guys can use it and it's not wasted. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and you guys can create something natural for your skin look. And see you guys again for my next video. Bye, guys.